Look at this huge wheel. Whoa. The 600 grid. P600. I will wet sand it. Of course, I will clean the whole rim. I will bake it again to speed up the drying process, and I will apply the base coat, black base coat. So let's start to work. At this moment the rim is done. I need to wash it. I will wash the rim and I will bake it in the chamber to speed up the process. I'm waiting to temperature drop to 20 degrees in Celsius scale. Okay, so the rim look like this. It's a bit shiny because the paint is fresh, so when the paint will dry, there will be some matte finish. But sometimes those base coats are a bit shinier. Maybe it's too thick layers, but when I apply the clear coat, everything will be looking fine. And here is what's worrying me. This have to be machined, so I cannot apply the filler because this will be the aluminium, and same here, same spot here, and those scratches. Hope he will fix it. Hi guys, so I am in my friend workshop. Look at this equipment, and he will be diamond cutting this wheel, and here's the machine to do that, and here is my wheel. Now I will do it. The rim looks very nice. There are some small imperfections, but this will never be like new, but 95% of the job is done perfect. Okay, you guys, the wheel is painted. I hope you like the result, because I am very happy.